Carrie, I am marrying you because I am not complete without you. I cannot imagine my life without you as my best friend and partner.
When we were younger, we were sons and daughters coming out of the water.
Kylie, you are my forever person, and I am so lucky to be saying that before you today as we make it official 12 years, 5 months, and 6 days later. But hey, who's counting?
And now I'm seeing angels overhead. I found me standing in sunlight. I'll become brand new. I'll be an anchor and fall together to find me. When waters rise, I'll become like you.
Kylie and Carrie, marriage encompasses all of life's most important relationships. You are each other's best friend, confidant, lover, teacher, and listener. Today you say I love you to your best friend as you give yourselves to each other in marriage.
Gravity pulls me down, down. Now I'm seeing angels overhead. I found me standing.
My vows to you are this. I promise that I will always love you, be grateful for you, respect you, and most importantly, support you in any way that you need. I love you more than you could ever know. I will not ever stop fighting for our love.
Our story is one full of love and continued growth, both as partners and individually. You are my favorite hello and my hardest goodbye. When we are together, I feel free and safe to be my truest self. Thank you for choosing me to pour your unconditional love, time, effort, patience, emotions, and life experiences into for the rest of our existence on this beautiful earth. I promise to love you, support you, and grow through life with you. I love you, wifey.
So because of the vows that you have said and the commitments that you have made this day, therefore by the power vested in me by the laws of this great state of Hawaii, I now pronounce you as happily married. You may see your vows with a kiss.